In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner where your profile and plan are shown. Click on your profile name, then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the left-hand side and click on Account. At the top, you'll see details about your current subscription, including the renewal date and price. Now click on Manage next to your plan. This will open the subscription management page. Here, click on Cancel Subscription. A confirmation message will appear showing when your access will end. Click on Cancel Subscription again to confirm. And that's it. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the billing cycle, and then it will be canceled automatically. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.